In this video, I'm going to show you how to get pet in Kingshot. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so pets are features that boost your stats and help you progress faster in battles. Now, there's a few different ways how we can get this. So, number one is unlock the pet system. So you first need to reach a certain level or complete specific story chapters before the pet system becomes available. A tutorial prompt will usually appear once you've unlocked it. Then from there, summon pets. So go to the pet menu in game and you want to use pet summon scrolls or diamonds to summon those pets. Pets are ranked by rarity: common, rare, epic, legendary. Higher rarity pet gives stronger buffs. Also keep an eye out for events and rewards. So with these rewards and events, some pets can only be obtained during special events, limited time offers, or seasonal challenges. Keep an eye out for daily login rewards and milestone rewards, as they sometimes include those pet shards of full pets. Now, with those pet shards, through battles, events, or the shop, once you have enough shards, you can combine them to unlock or upgrade a pet. And also, we can look at these shop purchases. So if you go into your shop, which is located top right hand corner of the page here, scroll through the different tabs there, and some pets or shards can be brought in the in-game shop using diamonds, event currency, or real money bundles. Now, also, once you have a pet, don't forget to equip it so it actually boosts your power. You can also level up and evolve pets to make them stronger.